Okay, here we go, here we go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What's up, DIY babes, and welcome to the weekly vlog. So this morning, wait, afternoon, morning, what time is it? Anyways, I just finished filming with Kenzie. Hello. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for you guys to see the video. Wait, so when this goes up, our video will be going up in like 4 days on Sunday.
It's so fun.
Yeah, I'm so excited. We filmed 2 really funny videos, and I'm so excited for you guys to see. We filmed a video for my channel and for Kenzie's channel, and I'm so excited.
Me too. It was so fun.
It was so good, and also she has decided that she loves moose.
Did you make a new friend today?
Did you make a new friend?
Such a cute boy.
Are you handsome? Are you handsome? Are you handsome and 1 year old now? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Muse. Happy birthday to you. Muse, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. So I saved 2 toys for Moosey's birthday that he got the other day at the birthday party. This one, which won't last very long because Moose tears all the candles off everything. And then this one, which sings and scared the crap out of me. Ready? Dee 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 dee. Happy birthday to you. Oh god, it's going again. Oh god, how do I turn it off? No. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, well, we'll just leave that here to finish off its song. Is it done? Oh, it's going again. It's going again, Moose. What are we gonna do today? Oh no, it's still going. Please be done. No. Yeah. Oh, I can still hear it. Oh god. Moose, what do you want to do today? Do you want to go on a hike? Do you want to go to the dog park? We already had your birthday party, but what do you want to do on your actual birthday? What do you want to do on your actual birthday? It's okay, Moose, I don't need audio. Literally, every time I turn the camera on, Moose is cameling back there. Moose, it's your birthday! It's your birthday! So Moose got to eat a special birthday, like, rawhide chew this morning, like a healthy one. I know there's like controversial things about rawhides, but it was a good one. And then we went on a birthday walkies, and then we had a birthday nap. Now, the next step in the day is that I am getting a tattoo today. Muse, I'm getting a tattoo! And then after the tattoo, I think we're gonna go to the dog park because Moose loves the dog park. And we haven't been to the dog park in a while because my neighborhood is so amazing for walking. And there's so many great doggies in the neighborhood that we have play dates with. So we haven't been to the dog park in forever. And then I think we should go to Petco and like see if there's a little treat or a new toy. Not that you didn't get like 4,500 new toys on your birthday party, but we'll see. So back to the tattoo. So this is the thing that's happening. I've been thinking about this tattoo for 8 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. It's been a while though, because I'm not just one of those people that is like, I'm gonna get a tattoo today and wakes up and just like goes and gets that put on your body. If you're that type of person, more power to ya. My mom would literally slaughter me. She's gonna slaughter me either way, but I mean, at least this is not something that, you know, just out of nowhere, out of the blue. So I am getting a little set of Moosey antlers on the back of my arm because I have just never loved something as much as I love Moose. Like, it's just a different type of love. I've never grown up with a dog. I've never had my own dog, and like, I know that Moose is just an animal, but to me, he's so much more than that. He's taught me so much, and I just like, I've never loved something the way that I love Moose. As I'm sure you guys know, I'm sure this is no surprise. I'm sure you don't know many people that are more obsessed with their dog than I am. And I just love him so much, and it's just, I've learned so much, and so I wanted to get something to symbolize that, so I'm gonna be getting little Moosey antlers. When you think of Moose antlers, I always obviously think of like the big ones that are like this, like that's what you think of when you think of a moose antler. But those are like the big, male, dominant, big daddy moose antlers. And I feel like I don't relate Moose to that, so I was like, okay, well, like what kind of antlers do mooses have? Like mooses, I feel like moose, I think it's just moose at the plural. So I kind of did some research to see what other types of antlers moose have, and a lot of the younger siblings in a moose family, or some types of moose, have just like twig-like antlers like you would see on a deer, and there's actually a name for it. Dendritic, I think that's it. Anyways, I did a whole bunch of research and found a set, and I actually drew a set of antlers on my iPad and kind of tweaked them a little bit and played with it and played with the placement a whole bunch and like the angles of them and how they were positioned. So this has been a journey to get the perfect set of antlers because he's just like my baby moose, and he's not like a big like daddy scary moose. He's a baby moose. Exhibit A, a baby moose. It's been a hard birthday for you, Moose, eh? It's exhausting. It's exhausting being 1 year old. So that is the plan for today, and Alex is at Playlist this weekend, so he will not be accompanying me to the tattoo like the last 2 tattoos. So Lana is coming with me to hold my hand and be moral support. This is not my biggest tattoo. I think the coordinates is technically the biggest because it's the longest, but I guess this will like be the roundest. I don't really know. It's like, it's a medium size, I think, but I'm super excited and I can't believe this is finally happening. And I can't believe I was actually able to like schedule it on his birthday, which I think is really cool because I am headed to New York tomorrow. And normally when I have a morning flight, Moose would go to doggy daycare today, like this evening. And I just wanted to keep him as long as I could because it's his birthday today and I don't want him to be at school. Not that school is not great, like daycare and school is amazing, but I want to snuggle his face tonight for his birthday. So that is the plan and I'm so excited to spend the whole day together. And I just don't want to go to New York. That's the main takeaway from this little segment. Oh, I'm nervous. And we're back. You guys know what happens when we come here, and it's not that I'm getting a freckle tattoo like Alex and Aaron, but it's happening. It's going, what a sissy. ROMEO, what a sissy. Honestly, he's like getting closer and closer to wanting a real tattoo.
That was like the gateway tat.
That was the gateway tat.
Yeah.
The gateway, the freckle.
It's like the freckle, and then now he's ready for the real one.
He's real, yeah.
Which is like really 2 freckles.
Is like, yeah. 2 freckles, I know, like a chickenpox scar.
Right.
He's like getting real. I think he'll be here within, I'm gonna predict within a year for a real tattoo.
A year?
Yeah.
I say 6 months.
6 months?
Ooh, we got that going on.
All right, so this is gonna be the last time that this arm is naked and bare. Okay, so here is the evolution of the size of the antlers. We're going for like a middle size between this one and this one. Oh God. That's so cute though. Guys, we're done. That's it. That's all it was. Just kidding, it's a stencil. Hey, Lance. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got a tattoo. I got a tattoo. I got a tattoo. It looks so good. It's exactly, this is such a bad angle. Oh my god. It looks so good though. I'm so happy with it. ROMEO obviously like kills it every time. Killed it again. Tattoo number 4. I thought after the last one that I was done, and at the time I did feel done, and like again I feel done, but I don't want to say that I'm done. I feel like that's a common feeling for people who start getting tattoos. But I love it so much. It's literally exactly what I wanted and I'm so happy with it and I'm so excited and I love it so much. Ah! Birthday dog park! Birthday dog park! Moose always picks the biggest dogs, literally the biggest dogs. First he was picking the Great Dane, now he's picking the giant, like husky Malamute. Moose, did you make a giant friend? Did you make a giant friend? Oh my gosh, this Great Dane is so cute. Guys, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Yeah, Moose, we might have to do a birthday bath after this. Hi guys, it is much later and my lash is like popping off and I am much greasier. That is just like the best concept of how much time has passed. Anyways, it is much later and I just finished packing up for New York tomorrow. My flight I think is at like 11:30 in the morning, so it's like a good flight to fly to the East Coast. You get there I think around 8 or so. But I think I also have a pod seat tomorrow on the flight, which I'm so excited about because I am not done editing tomorrow's video, so it gonna be a late night editing and then finishing packing, and like I know I'm gonna forget. Why mute? Every time. Why mute? The problem with this trip is that there are so many different events happening, and Creator Summit, they don't tell you what the itinerary is, and that makes it even harder because there are so many things you need to pack for that you don't know prior, and the weather is crazy. It goes from like 15 Celsius to 30 Celsius within 2 days. So I've got warm clothes, I've got cold clothes, I've got like 5 pairs of shoes. I probably honestly have 20 tops for 6 days. Logic.
Moose, what do you think about the new tattoo? I'm gonna miss you so much, but now I know that I have...
Okay, cool. I was trying to have a sentimental moment with you, but I see where your priorities are. Cool, cool Moose. Cool, good story, good talk. Mias, I just love you, okay? I'm gonna miss you so much, and you're gonna have so much fun at SKU, and I'm gonna miss you, Mias. Also, when Fuzi got 2 portraits done on his arm of Dollar and Muffin, I was like, dang, like, that looks amazing, but like, dang. And now I feel like I understand. I feel like Fuzi level tattoos are like up here, like portraits I'm not trying to get a whole half sleeve done, and then like laurDIY pet tattoo is down here. But I also feel like the pet tattoo category is one category, and we're just, you know, different levels. Fuzi, laurDIY. Fuzi, laurDIY.
I'm gonna miss this little butt and these little butt swirlies. I'm gonna miss you so much, Mew. This is the longest we'll have been separated in so long because Cabo was only like 5 days and this is almost a week, and I'm so sad and I'm gonna miss you so much.
Oh my gosh, we're vlogging together, Moose. We're vlogging together. So I still have my wrap on and it looks... Oh, sorry, I didn't know that you had something to say. I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna take my wrap off and finish up packing, and I think Moose needs to maybe go for a walk. Do you have to poop? Is that the problem, Moose? Do you have to poop? So, oh, I think that's a yes. So we are going to go for a walk. I'm gonna finish packing. I'm gonna unwrap my tattoo, finish editing the video, go to sleep probably really late, and then hop on my flight tomorrow morning to New York. Anything else, Moose, to add? Good point. This lighting is good. Look at the Alice in the background. Look at the creepy Alice. Alex went to Playlist and went home to North Carolina for a little bit, but we are reunited because we are in New York. Right? Yeah. So we are in New York for YouTube Creator Summit, which is actually where we met 3 years ago, which is so weird.
This is exactly what I was about to vlog you, B2.
This is a 3-year meetiversary. 3-year meetiversary for LAUR X.
Wait.
What?
Isn't this the 4th year of Creator Summit? We met on the first one.
Is this the 4th year of Creator Summit?
It is, because I missed the 3rd one.
Oh my gosh, you're right. Wait, we know each other 4 years?
Oh.
Wait, that's actually so long.
That's too long.
That's super long. We need to break up. That's too long.
Alright.
That's too long.
We had a good run.
Good run. Yeah, okay, bye. So we are in Creator Summit, and YouTube has an amazing couple days planned for us. Whoa, the sunset looks so good.
No, don't.
The sunset looks so good. And also, check out this hoodie. Sorry, my mistake. Check out this Corona. It looks like the New York Snapchat filter or the Instagram filter, I think. And like, low-key, I've been wanting a YouTube sweater for so freaking long, and that's all I wanted in the goodie bag this year. And YouTube came through. YouTube came through. So Remy is here, Alicia is here, the Meryl Twins are here, I think Tila's here. Alice is here, Swoozie's here. There's a lot of people here. There's a lot of our friends here, and I'm so excited. Also, if you're watching this, the merch is officially live, so hopefully it's not sold out when you're watching this, but there's limited edition new laurDIY drop 2 merch live right now. Shop.laurDIY.com. What else happening? Got a tattoo. You wanna see my tattoo? Wow! Roll it up. You like it?
It's upside down.
You're upside down.
Oh. Oh, that's so good.
You like it?
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
No.
Can I flick it?
No. Okay, and infected. And infected. So that happened in the vlog. Yeah, lots of stuff is happening, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along with us for this next vlog. But let me show the sunset before I end the vlog. Oh my gosh, guys, low-key, I really dislike New York. It's really like a jungle out here, concrete jungle. Not a fan. Not a fan, Alice. So I'm gonna end the vlog here before we head up to the first event of Creator Summit. I'm gonna save all the Creator Summit vlog for the next Wednesday's vlog. So get excited for that. I can't wait to show you what I'm wearing at Broadcast. It's so freaking cute and so sparkly. Like, possibly the sparkliest thing I've ever worn, and I've worn a lot of sparkly things. So get excited for that, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Oh my gosh, we had so much fun, and I can't wait for you guys to see the video. So that's going live on Sunday, so I will see you for that, and again on Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom, now you're running the streets.
She's the DIY queen, yeah, you know what